Telegram has recently introduced SMS verification fees for certain regions, and it has confused and frustrated a lot of people. Many users suddenly find themselves stuck at an unexpected screen telling them they must pay to receive a verification code. This fee appears for regions where Telegram says SMS delivery costs are high, or where a login attempt is flagged as high risk based on location, SIM history, or IP changes. It has especially affected users in Kenya, South Africa, China, parts of Europe, US, and some other countries, where reports show people being forced to pay for a one-week premium subscription just to receive a login code. But the good news is this: there are several proven ways to fix this problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 real methods that work today. These methods are arranged from the easiest and safest to the more advanced options, all the way down to the final method you can use if nothing else works. The first method is surprisingly simple, and it's the one that worked for me personally. All you do is uninstall Telegram from the Google Play Store, and instead download the version directly from the official Telegram website. The official APK often behaves differently than the Play Store version because it doesn't rely on Google's update pipeline or extra verification layers. Even though the verification rules are technically the same, some users, including myself, find that the official site version triggers fewer risk checks, and the verification SMS arrives normally. If you're lucky, this will solve the problem immediately. But if the official version still gives you the SMS fee message, the next method is the one that works for the majority of people. This involves installing an older Telegram APK, specifically versions like 1.1.7.3 or 1.1.9.1. Many YouTubers have shown this method working. They uninstall the latest Telegram, go to a reputable APK site like UpToDown, download one of these older versions, temporarily disable Play Protect, and log in again. With these older versions, the SMS fee system doesn't trigger, and people receive the login code instantly. Once you're logged in, you can update the app to the newest version without losing access. If older APKs don't work for you, the next method focuses on your network connection. Telegram's SMS fee message can appear when your login is flagged as high risk, and one of the things that increases risk is your IP address or network. Switching your network, such as changing from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, can reset this risk flag. Some users also succeed by using a VPN and connecting through a country where SMS costs are lower. IP changes can help Telegram treat your login as normal instead of suspicious. This method is simple, quick, and often successful for iOS users. If changing your network still doesn't work, the next method to try is using Telegram X. Telegram X is an official alternative client built by Telegram with a different interface and different back-end behavior. Surprisingly, many users have been able to bypass the SMS fee entirely by using Telegram X to register or log in. Telegram X doesn't always trigger the same risk control checks as the main app, which is why this method works so well in regions like Kenya, China, Uganda, and Eastern Europe where SMS fees are common. Once you're logged in through Telegram X, you can switch back to the main Telegram app without issues. If the previous 4 methods fail, then the next method is using a foreign or clean number. The SMS fee often appears in regions where carriers charge Telegram high prices for delivering SMS OTPs. That's why Telegram sometimes requires users to cover the cost. If you use a US, UK, or Singapore number, and even some private virtual numbers, you can bypass the fee entirely because these carriers charge less for SMS delivery. This method is extremely reliable because it completely avoids the regions where the fee is enforced. And finally, if absolutely none of the methods work, then the last option is simply paying the fee. In most regions, it costs less than $2. Once you pay it, you won't be asked again for future logins, because Telegram flags your number as verified and trustworthy. While nobody likes paying for something that used to be free, this can be the fastest way to restore access, especially if you rely on Telegram for business, communication, or work. These 6 methods represent everything that works right now, across real user experiences, YouTube demos, and verified regional reports. Start with the easiest methods and move downward, and you'll almost certainly find a solution that gets you back into your account.